Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we're doing something a little bit different than your average makeup look. Today we're going to focus mainly on the eyelashes, how to make them look longer and thicker without all the extra necessities like making sure that you have the length one or the thickening mascara. Just a little bit tidbits. Do I do them all myself? Not really, but this can help those who are a little bit more picky about their eyelashes. First off, we're going to try tight lining. You can use any black eyeliner for it. What's best to use is waterproof eyeliner because then it won't bother your eyes so much. It's prone to not bothering the eyes so much, and when your eyes do get teary from it, if you do have an agitation to it, then it will still stick there for a little bit until you wash it off. So in order to tight line, you're going to need to put the eyeliner near your eye, or not near it, but you know what I'm saying, and line the top lid underneath the lashes like so. You can already see a difference between this eye and this one, which has not been tight lined. You might want to also try pushing the liner a little bit into your actual eyelashes so that the little creases in between the eyelashes themselves will also get the black in between. I notice that a lot whenever I do my regular eyeliner. It seems to be a little bit more difficult to make it look darker on that area because the little lines between where my eye, gels can't get to. Now you can also do the same thing with your lower lid right here, but that gives more of a darker appearance for a lot of people, for like more of an out and night type of look or partying type of look. So you might not want to do that. You might want to go for a regular like tan look, so you can just keep that there and make your under eyelid a little bit more closer to your color of everything. I don't know what to really say about that. You can use eyeliner, any type of eyeliner, and it will make it look thicker. Adding a cat tail and everything like that doesn't make it really look longer. It just kind of gives more of an extravagant or exotic look to it. So you don't have to do cat tails for it. You can just do regular eyeliner and just keep it close to the lashes while you're doing it, which I'm going to do. I'm going to use Elf's cream eyeliner. This is old, so I don't know how I was going to do. And I'm going to use a angled brush. I always use angled brushes to do my eyeliner. For this, you want to get real close to your eyelashes. If you want to make it thicker, you go on ahead because that's a preference. I generally don't. I just add enough so when I put the falsies on, you can't tell that the band is there, so it looks more real. But this also helps with making your lashes look thicker at the base, which always seems to be a problem for some people. And I know it's a problem for me because, like I said, the in-betweens of these lashes are like, nah, I don't think so. To help further darken your lash line, you can take a black shadow of any sort. So basically take the same brush or whatever brush you want and just go on top of the gel. And this kind of like sets the gel or the cream, and it makes it look more matte and helps make it look more black and darkened. I might not be using the right terms for this, guys. My brain is not here today for terminology, if you want to use them. So hopefully you're understanding what I'm saying right now. Now for probably the most important part about making your eyelashes look more thicker is the mascara. So first I'm going to just curl my eyes. This is by choice. You don't have to do this, but those who have eyelashes that don't like to go up, this might be a good thing for you to do. Because then you're focusing all the eyelashes in one direction. So when the mascara goes onto it, they don't go like mine do. There's like some that go straight down. It's a wonder I don't have more eyelashes directly in my eye. So like I said, you can use any mascara. It depends on how you use them to get the look. A lot of times people don't understand that. So I got a length one, I got a curling and lengthening one, and I got an extreme lash. I don't know if this, I think this makes it thicker or whatever, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to use preferably a brush that won't make the mascara go onto my lower lid, because that's been happening a lot with women. Maybe I've just been getting really lazy about it. Who knows? So I'm going to use the Marcella Curling and Lengthening Mascara. Now again, it doesn't matter which one you're using. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you first what you're not supposed to do, which is just going up constantly. That's going to make your eyelashes look spidery or web-like, and if that's what you like, go for it, because you know people like different things. But what you should be doing to make it look thicker at the end, because the end is sometimes what gets us, is by going to the end and then just shuffling it like this. And then going up. So end, shuffle, up. End, shuffle, up. And just keep doing that. Because that's making the individual hairs get caught between the bristles and keeping the mascara going up into them. So they're getting their own little like paint on them, I guess you can call it. And then when you just want to focus on the ends, you go to the ends and do the same thing. You just go, shuffle, up. Go, shuffle, up. Now this is a thing. Let your eyelashes dry from the mascara. If you don't feel like it's thick enough, you can go back and it does thicken a second time. Not everyone chooses to do so on doing that, but it is a thing. It is a thing. And it's not taboo. See how much thicker it is now compared to this side, although this side doesn't even have any period. Now, my lashes on this side are always longer than this one, I will admit. But even adding all this stuff to them have made them thicker than they would normally look if I just didn't do all these steps at all. So, now to do the bottom ones, which are always scary because you don't want the mascara on your lower lid because it just messes up your day and you don't want that. So basically the same thing, you go to the very end, but be careful, and then you shuffle them and then you go down. Shuffle them and go down. So see, it doesn't really matter what kind of mascara you use. See, I'm adding a second layer on to my left eye. And look how much thicker it looks now at the band of my eyelashes. Looks a lot thicker. And this is a great tip for those who can't wear falsies because they wear glasses. This will help thicken your eyelashes where you need it to be, so you don't have to have, falsies on. Now there are small enough falsies where you can wear them also with glasses. Do I wear those? No. So see, this is all you have to do. If you don't want to put any falsies on, that's all you have to do. It's that easy. So I hope that has helped you. But I'm going to, of course, put falsies on because falsies are my way of living now. It's just what I do. Do I think I look pretty now? Yes. But falsies, they bring out the eyes more in my opinion. And then you're done. See, the falsies make them look thicker no matter what. So even if you don't do all these steps, putting on falsies make them thick in long seconds. That's why they're called falsies. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped you in some way. Please like, comment, and subscribe.